Hi, I'm Henry Hoover. This is my video for all the kids who love me. Today I am showing you some of my friends, the Henry Hoover toys. Comment below if you have any of these toys already. First, this is Henry by Casdon Toys. He has a hose and tools inside. He also makes a real Hoover noise and can suck up tiny things. Next is Desktop Henry. He is smaller and loves to vacuum the dust from computer keyboards. Today's third toy is Wind Up Henry. He comes with a matching Hetty. Just wind him up and watch him go. Wind Up Henry is so much fun, but he is very rare. Finally, we have the smallest Henry ever, Doll's House Henry. He is the size of a coin and doesn't do much other than looking cute. Comment below which toy is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and goodbye for now.